Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add widgets to your lock screen on your iPhone. So initially we're going to go to Settings, and now we scroll down to find the Wallpaper category, click on it, and now we can either add a new wallpaper by just pressing that plus button, or we can go to the one that we already use and click on Customize. Now, once you're on the Customize page, we can just click on the bar that's right below the time where I already added my widgets. And now we can get rid of widgets that we don't want and add new ones. And all we have to do is by pressing the widgets. So we want Shazam, we want TikTok, let's do Snapchat as well, and we'll also do the weather. Now what we have to do is press X, click on Done at the top right corner, and now all we have to do is, since it's our current wallpaper, we don't have to click on Add as Lock Screen, but if we wanted to, we would just click on Set as Current. But since this is our wallpaper, all I have to do is close it, open it, and now you have your widgets on your wallpaper. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day.